I got my new fan clutch in today from Napa. It looks pretty good. I'm gonna put it on. Here is the part number. I got this from Napa. It looks like a pretty good product. So we'll see how it works. Alright, there you go. I think you should have had the part number by now. Alright, now I'm going to show you how to replace it. So none of the part stores by me had a tool to take they didn't have a fan clutch tool to take it off, so I am going to show you another way that I do it. It's not, some people would be against it, but it's pretty easy for me. So I got an air hammer here and I just put it against it, put me a little notch in it. Alright, and she's loose. So now I can spin this off. I'm not going to spin it all the way off because I've got to take this bolt and this bolt and take the shroud off when the fan comes out. Mine doesn't have the bottom ones inside. I just got to take the top ones out. Okay, so I got my radiator hose off. I just kind of turned it up. Now this should all come out. You got to remember too, these fan clutches have reverse threads, so alright, now I just gotta pull all this out. So okay, now I have to take these 4 bolts off to get the fan off of the fan clutch. And I can turn this not very easily, but I can turn it. And this is the new one, and it's kind of tough for me to turn it. So, all right, let's see if we can. That off. Take this one and just throw it. Alright. New one up here. Alright, so I took the radiator line off, and it had some fluid loss because I had to take it out because of the shroud. So what I do is I have a little like a old thermostat sensor, and I put this on there, and then I can take this cap off, and I got the radiator cap off, and what I do is I just go with the water right in here. You can see all the air bubbles coming out. And you can see this water level rising too, as I'm filling it from here. Alright. Now that seems like it's pretty full. So what I do is put this back on. Okay. This is, make sure this is full. A little squeeze here. Alright, I think we got all the air out. And you're good. Alright, she's all back together. She's running good. Always leave my radiator cap off for a minute and make sure it's full of fluid. Mine didn't have any issue. That's the end of the video. Just subscribe, please, comment. I appreciate it. Stay tuned because I'm going to be making some more videos on this sweet truck.